how to allow or disallow visual search on your post in Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, below, you can see here the audience and visibility section. Here, you can see the post. Okay, tap the post. Here in post, you can see the allow visual search on your post. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And the visual search on your post is disallow. So if you want to allow this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this allowed, visual search finds other content on Facebook related to your post. To help people discover more of what they interested in, this is your default, but you can always change it for a specific post. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully allowed. So if you want to disallow again, okay, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. But I decide to allow the visual search on your post in my Facebook account. And that's it. Okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.